be a sound orchestra in which that we use 4 different laptops, and each laptop would have a different processing file, and each processing file will consist of a different instrument. We're going to check out the presentation, so let's go! Is it right? Yeah. When these sounds come together, it creates an orchestra because the sounds all overlap, and people get really, really confused. But they have a lot of fun because they see that there's all these different sounds coming out, and the other ones are controlling it. So it's very experimental. At the same time, the project uses sensors, and it creates a sound. And in the end, it creates a sound orchestra because it mixes together, and they're all different instruments, and it's a really, really awesome project.